So you can see here we have applied the tourniquet here. Wherever if we want to apply the cannula here, definitely cannula tourniquet should be applied here. Okay, so we have to apply the cannula. We have seen the vein find out here. Okay, and that's why application of tourniquet is should be done here. Okay, so first of all, before application the cannula, you have to apply the you have to clean the area with the spirit swab. So you can see here we have smeared the cotton with the spirit or sterilum, and ultimately we are cleaning the area before the application of cannula, so that infection cannot invade into the intravenously. Okay, so you have to non-branched, non-tortuous and straight vein you have to see. If it found, definitely you have to insert the cannula. You can see here there is a two branched. Okay, this is a two branch. I hope you are not able I hope you are able to see this. Okay, this is a two branch where it will meet, but definitely we are not applying here, we are applying here where it is a straight. Okay, you have to approximately 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters should be straight before it's branched. Okay, so I'm doing application of this cannula. Okay, you can see here this is a branched this is the vein we have straight branch straight non-branch vein we have got here, and we are putting the cannula into it. So see the clearly, as soon as we are putting it, definitely the blood will come out. Okay, so you have to see the clearly. Okay, carefully you see, this is the vein we why we have applied a tourniquet here before, so that the vein from where the blood will come from here to here. Okay, so it will go in direction of the hearts. So definitely the blood get accumulated here, and that's why the vein get swollen. Okay, so you can see here as soon as we have put it here, the red color the blood comes out. Okay, so if it not comes out, definitely you have to think out about the non-directional of your cannula. Okay, so this is a three-way, this is a three-way, this is the cannula, and this is the IV fixator. Now if we're talking about why we are putting the cannula into it, into the vein, into the body, definitely IV एंटीबायोटिक्स देना है पेशेंट को, मेरोपेनम है, मेट्रो है, ऑफ्लॉक्स है, वॉट एवर, सो बहुत सारे इंजेक्शन, वी हैव अ नंबर ऑफ इंजेक्शन, एंटीबायोटिक्स है या फिर IV फ्लूइड्स है, तो डेफिनेटली वी आर गिविंग वाया द इंट्राविनसली. ओके, तो इंट्राविनसली कोई भी ड्रग देने के लिए वी हैव अ काइंड ऑफ कैनुला. तो यू कैन सी हियर a kind of painkiller injection we have given the patient with the dilation of 100 ccns. So 2 cc Danapur we have diluted into the 100 ccns, and we are giving the patient in via the intravenously. Okay, after the application of our cannula. So you can see here we have applied, this is the IV set, this is the IV set, this is the 100 ml NS, and we have put into it the 2 cc Danapur. Okay, so you can see here, see the clearly, you will notice this is a way of application of cannula. Okay, as soon as you will not notice here, as soon as the blood come out, definitely you have to remove the tourniquet. Okay, otherwise the blood will come out forcefully and it will hamper the patient. Sometime it happens कि your cannula is not get into enter the vein correctly, definitely the swelling will comes and you have to change the vein also. Okay, so once the cannula get blocked, definitely you have to change the cannula again. And if the admitted patient, operated patient है, तो उसके opposite side में, if it operated in the right side, definitely you have to application of the cannula should be in opposite side. Right side में अगर operated है patient का, definitely left side में cannula insert करना है, वो भी pink color का. ओके, तो यू कैन सी हियर ऑपरेटिव पेशेंट है, एडमिटेड पेशेंट है, या फिर कोई इंट्रावेनसली कोई ड्रग देना, डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू गिव अ काइंड ऑफ कैनुला इंसर्जन शुड बी डन. ओके, ब्लड कलेक्शन का टाइम में अ काइंड ऑफ जो ब्लड यहाँ से आता है ना, बिफोर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस थ्री वे यू हैव टू अप्लाई द काइंड ऑफ ट्यूब्स हियर सो दैट ब्लड कैन बी कलेक्टेड, सो दैट द पंक्चर शुड नॉट बी डन अगेन. ओके, so we have to fix the three way, we have to fix the fixator. This is a three way by which we can give the two way. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, we can give the two way and you have to write the date also, why it is mentioned here before because so that admitted patient का जो cannula है we can change via the 3 to 4 day regularly. Okay, so you can see here 23/10/22, this is the date. So if the patient get admitted for the 6 to 5 days, for the 6 to 8 day, definitely we have to change the cannula in 3 to 4 day. Otherwise the infection is